Well, ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? It is me, System Sensor 250, and guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So guys, today's video, we're going to be doing another smoke alarm test video. So, today we're going to be doing a smoke alarm test number 26. Wait, where's the smoke alarm? It's not on the table. But, if you notice, there it is. It's just chilling with my Buc-ee's blanket. So, we're going to do this in action. So, I hope you guys enjoy. Now, before we guys get started, make sure you guys don't forget to smash the subscribe, like, and don't forget to smash the bell button. If you do guys have any questions, so you know what to do, just chat me in the comments or chat me on Discord as well too, aka my Discord server. Anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let's go ahead and get started the smoke alarm test 26. So if you haven't noticed, the smoke alarm was actually just moved from the table to the Buc-ee's blanket. He was like, smoke alarm likes to chill with Buc-ee's. He does. Should I get another picture for another thumbnail? I already got the thumbnail. So, anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So right here, we have the first alert, CO400, carbon monoxide. I'll go by smoke alarm because it's easy to say. And yes, it is a carbon monoxide, but I call it a smoke alarm. The actual smoke alarm was the Family Guard FG 888D. It's just chilling. It's being covered by my darn airplanes. If you do not what it looks like, it goes by DARON, darn airplanes. So, anyways, let's get started with some testing. 3, 2, 1. Fix up my Buc-ee's blanket. That should be good. Let's do another one. Because why not? Oh, it's easy to come off. Let's do one more in the closet. There we go. That's a creepy door. So, yeah, what do you guys think? He likes to chill with my Buc-ee's blanket. So, because why not? So, anyways, guys, let's go ahead and we're just about to come to an end, so let's go ahead and wrap. So, guys, what do you think of the smoke alarm test video so far? Let me know in the comments. Anyways, guys, that's going to be the end. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Now, before we guys end, make sure you guys don't forget to smash the subscribe, like, and don't forget to smash the bell button. If you do guys have any questions, you know what to do. Just chat me in the comments or chat me on Discord as well too, aka my Discord server. Make sure you guys, sorry, I was getting a little bit distracted because of that. So make sure you guys don't forget to check out my latest video through my homepage as well too. Also, one important thing, check out my second, third, and fourth YouTube channel. Smash the subscribe on those channels and I appreciate it. It's actually fall. So, anyways, that's gonna be conclude. I hope you guys enjoy, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.